All right, so in chapter 6, we're supposed to write a function. Actually, technically, supposed to write two functions. One function is going to give us the slope of of a line, and then we're going to call that function slope. And then we're going to do another function which gives us the y-intercept, and then we're going to call that function intercept. And basically, that's what I'm going to call it. So I defined the first function, slope x1, y1, x2, y2, and then in the comment section, I'm going to do returning the slope for the points. And then m is my slope, and it's going to equal y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. And mathematically, that's what we get for slope. And then I commented this out because I needed to see if it worked or not. And then my second function, the definition is going to be the intercept. And again, it's x1, y1, x2, y2. And here I'm returning the intercept. So b equals, which is going to be b is the intercept. Yeah. y2 minus the slope of x1, y1, x2, y2 times x2. And then I'm going to return b. And then I'm going to print the statement. So I'm calling this function under b. And then when I'm printing everything right here. So I'm printing this function, the intercept function. So print, and then I'm just doing print the y-intercept equals comma string, and then I call intercept, and then the points I used for x1 and y1 is 1, 6, and x2, y2 is 3, 12. And when I run it, I get the y-intercept equals 3.0, which if you do it mathematically in your calculator or whatever, you'll get 3.